As an investor, Clive, I wanted to have security in the market where I was investing, and I wanted to invest in the long term. But for me, I had heard so many good reports about Berlin, and my own due diligence also proved that Berlin was a good place to invest, offering reasonable yields. I wasn't looking for a quick return, as my investment strategy was for long term back in 2006. So my aim for the investment was to get a hassle-free environment. Having had probably 10 years experience under my belt at that stage investing back home, where I had an assortment of experiences, let's put it that way. So I wanted something that was, to me, hassle-free. Germany, Berlin in particular, had an abundance of good property management companies and good quality product on the market to rent, and a very good recognised tenant market. I did what a lot of people do, Clive. I Googled and then I did some research. I liked what I read about Black Label, so I went to the next step and I telephoned one of the senior directors, Achim, within Black Label. And I would say from the very first phone call, I developed a very good rapport with Achim, and we commenced business 2 years ago. And over that 2-year period then, without question, the company has been fantastic in terms of delivering good quality service in a friendly, professional environment. We would have discussed several strategies during the period of time, and then Achim and the team worked with me on exercising that strategy or executing that strategy. So I would say the guys have a lot of patience as well and gave me good guidance when required. My initial thoughts, I suppose, for simplicity and ease when talking to Achim and the team was let's sell a block. One sale, get in, get out. I kept an open mind, however, to selling individual apartments on the basis that, you know, you need flexibility. So we looked for about 6 to 7 months to see if a buyer for a single block was a suitable buyer. They did exist, but it wasn't what I was looking for in terms of, let's say, overall profitability. So then we embarked on a strategy to sell the apartments one by one. And that has worked extremely well. Achim and the team have been exceptionally good in keeping me updated, involving me in the decision-making process, and just giving me overall updates, probably 2 to 3 updates a month on how progress was taking place. Very, very impressed with the level of service. To me, as an accountant, I would say to any investor, take the long-term view. I've had a very good 12 years in the market. Would I come back into the market again? Yes, I could with the right opportunity. The most positive experience for me as a landlord has been the tenants over the last 12 years have been, without doubt, bar one, which is really nothing in the scale of things, have been excellent in terms of payers, looked after their properties really, really well, assisted, of course, by a very good management company. So that would be one of the things I would say. Have a good management company and have a good selling agent in the background for looking for good property for you. And if you can wrap it all into one, that's excellent. I would say over the last 12 years, while I have been a landlord in Germany, I didn't even realize I was one because it was that stress-free.